Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My crafting idea for today involves these flour sack towels that I found at the Dollar Tree. This one says chilling and grilling, and it's got the little grill on there. So cute. And then there's this one, it says shake it off. It has the salt and pepper shakers on there. What I would like to do is embellish these towels for decorative purposes for my kitchen, of course, and I hope that you join me. Let me show you the beads that I'll be using today. I have the red. These are glass beads with the metallic lining. I have the blue one. I also have the silver one. And then I have this. These are the opaque in white and in black. And then I'm using just a regular beading nylon thread, and I'm using the size 10 beading needle. I'm going to go ahead and start. This is going to take a moment, so I do hope you stick around. to start on this towel now. This is the one that says shake it off. There we go. I'm going to outline all the letters and also the little salt and pepper shaker down here. Here are my completed Dollar Tree flour sack towels. Look at that. So cute. That was the chilling and the grilling. And then this one's the shake it off salt and pepper shakers. Let me show you the first towel here. This one is the chilling and grilling. Look at that. See there? So cute. On both towels I added a 3-inch ruffle at the bottom. I took a 4-inch piece of red material and ruffled it, and then I put a little ribbon right on top. That's so cute. I like it. I've made changes to the grill on this towel. I fixed the top of my grill. I had beaded horizontal lines right here and with the black beads, but it turned out to be really top heavy and just bulky looking. So I took the horizontal beads off. I left the border, and this is the result. Look at that. So cute. I'm glad I took the horizontal lines out. I'm very happy with it. Here is the second towel. This one says shake it off. Look at that one. And closer look. With this towel, I've added blue beads to all my little points here. I only did half the towel, so. And then I fixed the top of my salt shaker. I had beaded it round and round, but I took that out. It was looking too bulky, so I just peppered it with beads. And I've done the same thing with the red side. I've also added the red ruffles on the bottom with the ribbon. Look at that. So cute. I hope that I have inspired you today to go to the Dollar Tree and get yourself some kitchen flour sack towels and embellish them. You don't necessarily have to bead yours. That's all preference. You know, you can color it in. You can use sequins. It's all up to you. Look at that. They turned out really well. I am very happy with my towels. They're going to jazzy up my kitchen. Thank you for watching Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.